The only way to make this country move faster to benefit the poor is really to open up communications, the airwaves, and the entire energy sector. My decision now is, this moment is, bubuksan ko ang Pilipinas. Or else, you can count by your fingers about in one hand the power players of this country. I would not say that they are the elite because it would connotate another connotation. But I would say that in the light of what happened, meron dito yung sa corruption, unahin ko na lang. Because I told them all, the only way for deliverance of this country is to remove it from the clutches of the people who hold the power and money. If I can survive the next phase of that area of governance, pag hindi ako, well, I don't know, but I'd like just to send this strong message to, it's about time that we share the money of the entire country. And to move faster, make competition open to all. Kasi pagka ganito, with the corrupt government and with the limited area to move, you will stymie competition and we will always be at the mercy of the corrupt people in this planet. We do not monopolize government corruption. That problem is shared by the whole of the international arena. But I would like not to wait for the others. Buksan ko na ang Pilipinas para wala nang. And maybe reroute the entire red tape. We are now also looking into regulatory requirements and institutional arrangements to hasten the entry of new players in the power industry and energy sector.